We're just playing in the front yard this morning. Spencer is having fun in the garden. See, they're making a big mess with the mud here. Get some mud on yourself.
Yeah, that looks very...
It's mushy soil. You guys probably never seen the yard empty like this because we moved the van out. And because we're staying in my parents' house for the next few months, we're going to be spending the summer here. We want to set up a bunch of playthings for Spencer, including a mini pool. We want to get a grill so I can grill some nice steaks. And probably like a table and stuff so we can do like barbecue outside. So we're about to head out now. We're going to make a Costco run? Costco run? Costco or Walmart run. We haven't decided exactly where yet, but you can't buy everything in Costco. All right, let's go buy some stuff. We are taking the new van today. All right, let's go to Costco. We crossed over to New Jersey. We decided to go to the Costco in New Jersey because we want to hit up Walmart as well. There's no Walmarts in New York City, so we can kind of do Costco and Walmart today. I love the 360 camera. This is so good. Especially for a big van like this. Here we are, Costco. Ooh. We're gonna pick up some shelving and containers because we still need to organize my mom's garage. So we can pick up maybe like 2 of the shelves here and then a bunch of the containers. So all right, we'll pick some up. We'll pick some up before we go. Let's walk around first. Shall we start stocking up on baby diapers? Number 1, it's $4 off. Get a box? We can get a box. But then now it's like more stuff that we have to store. $4 off? Why not? We can get a box of number 4s for Spencer. $10 off, so it's $30. A really beautiful floor lamp. This is what we came to get. I think this one should be big enough. Yeah, you don't want it to be that big. So this is going to be really nice, this big fan, because for one, we can just keep blowing outside to get rid of all the mosquitoes. So when we're outside and playing, hopefully this will blow all the mosquitoes away and keep us cool. All right, let's get that. Work table here. I might need to get something like this too when I'm working on the van. It's good to know they sell it here. Let's check out the steaks. We got no steaks at home. Yeah, let's see what kind of steaks they have. You know what I really want to get? A tomahawk steak. Oh, we can get a whole rib roast here. Occasionally they sell tomahawks here, but I don't see it here today. So we'll just get a regular pack of steak here. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, the ribeye looks pretty decent. All right, let's get a pack of ribeyes. I really like this pack, but I don't love the thin cuts. The marbling on this looks pretty decent. Let's do this pack. Ooh, the prime ribeye looks really good too. This is a pretty nice pack. This is really nice marbling on this one. Let's go with this pack. New York strip prime grade. Hey Spence. Sample time. They got ice cream. Oh, popsicle as a sample here. Alright, we can wait for it.
I think you want to try.
Oh, ice cream. I'll take this for me.
I love the way they accepted the company.
We got a thing of whole milk yogurt for Spence. We're gonna pick up a mesh screen house. Hi. Bye, my dog. Oh, okay. Really good day for
Okay. Hay.
Cái này mới chảo.
Okay, ổn á, ok. Okay, all right. $200. It looks like this. This fence. Okay, let's close the door. Let's close the door. I got some ice cream. Oh, thank you for the spoon. Here. Thank you for the spoon. Is it yummy? Ice cream. Making a quick stop over at Walmart. Let's pick up a grill. Over here. Let's pick a grill. What type should we get? This is the cheap kind. $57. What else do they have? Heavy duty 24-inch grill, which is $96. Maybe a Weber would be nice. Jumbo Joe Premium. This looks pretty spacious. I think a Weber will be a really nice one. Ooh, this one looks pretty nice. Or this one. There's like a smoker here. We can get the smoker. I like the smoker. What do you think? The smoker? Or the Weber? We can smoke some stuff too, like brisket. Smoked brisket. Grill and smoker. This looks kind of, oh, it's kind of portable. I kind of like this one. But it's too small, this one.
I can open up to 2.
Into just like one big one. This is really portable. But this is like a tabletop kind, I think. Maybe not. This would be like, good for like camping or something. But I kind of like this one. This one looks really nice. Charcoal over here. Oh, it's really hot out here. Let's get charcoal. Grab this folding table. We got everything we need. Let's check out. Head back home. Well, I can't believe we bought a whole van full of stuff from just Costco and Walmart. Glad we got so much space, empty space in this van. All right, let's go home. You like the cookies, Spence? Yeah. Yeah, so good, right? All right, let's go home. Well, that was a lot of stuff that I bought from the van to the front yard here. I already started bringing some stuff inside, but still got a lot more here. And we're probably not gonna have time to clean the garage, as that's something that I need to do with my mom. It's already like 5 something right now. Spencer is still napping, but I think what I'll do is I'll put together this grill. And I don't know if we'll have time to use it today either, but I would like to make a steak dinner, probably tomorrow. But let's put this together first. Maybe even put up the screen. I think that's gonna be fun. And I'm thinking the van is not gonna stay inside here either. So I might just park the van right next to where we parked the other van, which is gonna be a little bit of a walking distance, but I kind of like having an open yard here. I think this would be fun for Spencer too. We can set up different things, but we'll see. I'll set this thing up. I think it's a good idea to open the fan first. There are mosquitoes here, and I think the mosquito tent, the mesh screen house, is going to be awesome too. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice. It's got a pretty big coverage. I think it should be good for mosquitoes. We're trying up max. Yeah, we're good. I like it. Did you have a good nap, Spence? You see what Dad I'm making right now? Dad, I'm making a grill. I'm almost done. Cool, right? Barbecue grill.
Is it a grill? Is it like your grill?
I am done with the new grill. That took a long time to install. For probably like close to an hour. But it looks so nice. This is the first time I ever owned a grill smoker that is more than like 40 bucks. So this is really nice. I'm excited for it. So we're not gonna cook anything tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna do a nice steak on this smoker here. Not bad for 140 bucks. I also want to open the mesh screen house. Let's see how this one looks like. See how big it is. See how easy it is to set up. Install canopy. Thank you. Too expensive. You see the Velcros? Okay, go on. Oh, this is hard to install. Whew. Sorry. I think you should come out there.
I think you should come in and like push it.
Push it up? This doesn't. I can keep pushing, but the whole thing is moving. It's not really like. It's not punching. Hey, Spence! The mesh greenhouse is looking pretty good, but it's taking up a lot of real estate here in the front yard. Basically, the entire half of the yard is taken by this screen. It is pretty spacious though. And I can probably even put the entire table in here as seating too. But I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping it because it's not the easiest to install, and taking it down probably will be just as annoying. Maybe not, but let's see. We'll leave it here for now, and then I'm just going to park the van on the street, so this will just stay here. I'll just secure it so it doesn't fly away. But here it is. We got the mess-free coloring at Crayola. Is it just this piece?
Yeah,
This piece right here? Can you take it out? Let's take it out of the bag. Let's see what this is. I think I need battery with this one. Yes. Open. Like this. Battery. Two. Did you put the screwdriver back? Alright. Okay, how do we turn this on? Ooh, what do you do with this? Is there a button? How do you turn this on? Don't touch it, don't touch it. Alright, how do you do this? There's like no switch here. Oh, it's nothing in there. Oh! Oh, that's interesting.
Green.
Okay.
Green and then a dim. And then yellow. Yellow. Orange.
Oh, you can use your fingers.
Green.
Interesting.
Blue. Blue.
Interesting. Orange. Orange. Oh, how does this work?
I have no idea.
This is like, is it oil?
Ooh.
Interesting. You have to put battery though. This is like an oil or something. You see it, Spence? Let's try blue. Blue. Oh, it works. Put it. Yeah, you can dip it. Interesting. This is the mesh-free one. Yeah. This is the mesh-free one. This is so cool. Oh, I wonder how the technology works, because it actually changes color. And this is like all the same. Oh. Interesting. You can use your fingers, Spence. Look. Yellow. Don't throw it. Yellow. Yellow. Oh, it is yellow. Interesting. Red. 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 Green. Green. But it's kind of green. I think it's green. Alright, blue. Whoa, this is so interesting. Yeah. Oh, that's my hat. Alright, tonight we are just gonna have some frozen pizza. We got this truffle and mushroom pizza from Costco. And that's gonna be our dinner for tonight, right? Are you excited for some pizza? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here, and tomorrow is gonna be yet another cleanup day, and I think tomorrow we're gonna be serious about doing it because we got all the boxes today, we got the shelves, and we're not gonna go anywhere, and we're gonna get started early in the morning. So if you guys want to keep watching our van build process, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button. How do you do a like button, Spence? Can you show me how you do like? Well, Spencer's not doing it, so if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Spencer, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Like this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We got to correct you because people are saying that's not the correct way to do it. Say thank you. How do you do it? Not this one. Like this. Thank you. Like this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Good. That's good. All right. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.